Good day, everyone. So, for our final project in hydrology, we will present to you the watershed modeling. So, what is a model? So, first, this project introduces the topic of water quality modeling to support watershed studies. Let's start with a simply asked question. What are models? In general, models are representations of systems or processes. Some of the oldest forms of models were actual miniature physical representations of natural systems. Mathematical models are also representations of systems but use a series of mathematical equations. The number, form, and interconnections of these equations in a model can range from very simple to highly sophisticated. HEC-HMS. The Hydrologic Modeling System, or HEC-HMS, is designed to simulate the complete hydrologic processes of dendritic watershed systems. The software includes many traditional hydrologic analysis procedures such as event infiltration, unit hydrodrops, and hydrologic routing. HEC-HMS also includes procedures necessary for continuous simulation, including evapotranspiration, snowmelt, and soil moisture accounting. Advanced capabilities are also provided for gated runoff simulation using the linear quasi-distributed runoff transform or MOD Clark. Supplemental analysis tools are provided for model optimization, forecasting, streamflow, deep area reduction, assessing model uncertainty, erosion and sediment transport, and water quality. Watershed modeling. A watershed model simulates hydrologic processes in a more holistic approach compared to many models which primarily focus on individual processes or multiple processes at a relatively small or field scale without full incorporation of a watershed area. Watershed scale modeling has emerged as an important scientific research and management tool, particularly in efforts to understand and control water pollution. Watershed. A watershed is the area of land that drains into a body of water such as a river, lake, stream, or bay. It is separated from other watersheds by high points in the area such as hills or slopes. It includes not only the waterway itself, but also the entire land area that drains to it.
Next is the water basin. What is a water basin? Basin is a depression or dip in the earth's surface. Basins are shaped like balls with sides higher than the bottom. They can be oval or circular in shape. Similar to a sink or tub you might have in your own bathroom. Some are filled with water. Next is the sub-basin. What is a sub-basin? A sub-basin or sub-basin is a structural geological feature where a larger basin is divided into series of smaller basins with intervening interbasinal heights. Some sub-basins are referred to as sags, although that term has a broader definition than a sub-basin does. Next is the ridge. Ridge is a continuous extent or land or water, especially a stretch of river between two bends or the part of the canal between locks. Next is the junction. Junction is a point where two or more things are joined. Next is the background of the study. Our chosen province is Nueva Ecija. Where is the Nueva Ecija located and what is the history of it? Nueva Ecija is a landlocked province in the Philippines located in the central Luzon region. Its capital is the city of Palayan. Nueva Ecija borders from the south clockwise: Bulacan, Pampanga, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Nueva Vizcaya, and Aurora. The province is nationally known as the rice granary of the Philippines, producing the largest rice yield in the country. It was only later in 1848 that Nueva Ecija was established as separate province independent from Pampanga. This was accompanied by change in its theoretical composition over the next 10 years. The progressive towns of Gapan, San Isidro, Cabiao, and Aliaga were all annexed to Nueva Ecija, resulting in an economic as well as population boom for all the inhabitants.
Nueva Ecija was created as a military commandancia in 1777 by Gobernador General Narciso Claveria, with the capital at Baler, present-day capital of Aurora Province. It was formerly part of the province of Pampanga. Spanish records in the Philippines recognize two Spanish countries in the Pacific, Las Islas Filipinas, former name of Philippines, and Nueva Ecija. From 1777 to 1917, Nueva Ecija's territory was however subdivided to give way to the creation of other provinces. The province of Tayabas, now Aurora and Quezon, including the Polillo Islands, the province of Palanan, now Isabela, Cagayan, the province of Nueva Vizcaya, the territory which became part of the province of Quirino, and the province of Manila, north of the province of Tondo in 1867, and the district of Morong, now Rizal, were among those created out of Nueva Ecija. The province was named after the old city of Ecija in Seville, Spain. In 1896, Nueva Ecija became one of the first provinces to revolt against Spanish rule and one of the provinces which declared its independence in 1898. Nueva Ecija is the largest province and the biggest rice producer of Central Luzon, thus often referred to as the Rice Bowl of the Philippines. Attractions. Minalungaw Park declared as a national park. It features a breathtaking view of the narrow but deep Penaranda River. On both sides of the river bank are 16-meter-high limestone walls. The ridge formation of white sculptured limestone walls shows the might of the great river. Gabaldon Falls, the lure of Gabaldon, Nueva Ecija, located within 200 hectares Sabani Estate Agricultural College. The 10-feet falls are surrounded by huge rock formations and rippling ice-cold water. Pantabangan Dam, the dam was built in 1974 along the Pampanga River to serve as reinforcement against the floods and provide irrigation and additional electricity of the entire Luzon Island. Pantabangan Dam is one of the most visited tourist spots in the province and offers a scenic view of the surrounding area.
Next is the Diamond Park.
Diamond Park, San Jose, strategically located at the gateway to the Cagayan Valley. The park is a haven for people who want to go on picnics and sightseeing. Its 100-step stairs leads to a lamplit pagodas nestled on hilltops, offering a panoramic view of northern Nueva Ecija. Camp Pangatian, Cabanatuan City. The camp was used as a military training camp for 20 years until it was converted into a concentration camp for Allied prisoners of war during the Japanese occupation. A popular tourist destination among war veterans by way of the World War II Veterans Homecoming Program. The Municipality of Nueva Ecija.
Then next, the methodology.
Methodology. First, research of map and plotting of contour lines. Second, develop of a basin model. Third, collecting of data. Fourth, determine precipitation or rainfall area average. Fifth, parameterize the basin model. 6. Add stream flow and precipitation gauge information. 7. Create a meteorologic model. 8. Create and run a simulation. 9. Calibrate the model and evaluate model performance. 10. Create an uncertainty analysis and evaluate result.
This shows the contour map of the Nueva Ecija.
Sample computation. Storage. We compute the storage, where S is equals to 1000 over Cn minus 10. For SCS method, Cn is equals to 3.72 plus 3.16. Cn is equals to 6.88. For curve number, the total is 6.88. For the storage of S is equals to 1000 over 6.88 minus 10 is equals to 135.35 in inches.
Results using HEC HMS.
Sub-basin highest peak. Then next, junction 1 graph.
And that's it, the watershed modeling in Nueva Ecija.